Okay, what are the advantages of the Candina group? Well, we have the ISO 9001 since 1995. We have very good systems of recruiting, selecting, processing, verifying documentation. Our ratios are 98% return. We have a huge database of 350,000 seamen since 50 years ago. When we started with the Filipinos and the Spanish, then we left aside Filipinos because we cannot have control of the shareholding and of the selection process. Another advantage we have is that we have been introducing the Maritime Labour Convention, the transparency for about 5 years now. We already have a web system that the ship owners can just sit down and captains and verify all the documentation and the rosters and the planning, even the budget controls and so. That's a great advantage nowadays to have everything in just one single place. As we all know that the executives and the directors and managers, superintendents and captains, we all have different time schedules, and so we need to access the data wherever we are, in an airport, in a plane, in a ship. We are also members of Spanish Ship Owner Associations. Now we are doing a lot of lobbying for the MLC implementation. There is a huge subjective applications of this new normative. We have now been approved by the Spanish government. For example, until now, if there is a complaint from a crew member, you could not know where to go under the Spanish administration, and we are pressing them to solve this, to get updated with the times. So, in that respect, being members also of IMEC, it's also very important for the agreements and industry employers. Also, we are of the Basque Industrial Forum with our sister company, Biscay Ship Management, specialized in ISM, ISPS, and also all the statutory regulatory regulations of the Spanish flag, which is now hugely advantaged. As you probably know, heard today, there was 128 unemployees less in Spain, and this is due to the fact that the labor conditions are changing very, very fast. We are very specialized into changing all the Filipino, Indonesian crew members by Europeans, because nowadays we can really be so competitive and have same quality at the same price. Unfortunately, due to the unemployment situation in Europe, this is a tendency that will change, and also is a great advantage to have in Riga, in Odessa, Constanza, and 2 offices in Spain to cover the whole European area. This is some marketing that we are doing in all the offices. All this is making us quite a company of size, and therefore size goes with economies of scale and price, and we can really offer very competitive rates, mainly for big ship owners, big managers, and another advantage is that the banks are taking over ships. The managers are becoming commercial managers and ship owners. So here we want to be very specialized in the gap of the crew management companies. There's not so many specialized crew management companies, and we are one of them. When we're looking to grow with clients, wherever they want to move into the places where they resource their crew members from. Another advantage that we have is that we're going to specialize into different sectors. We have already got departments for leisure, departments from offshore, tanker, chemical, bulk carrier, and that gives a lot of flexibility to have a huge volume of officers that are trained in those special countries and that specialty. So I hope you really have enjoyed these advantages, and if you can find one, we are very happy to hear from you. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.